Kasabay ng paggunita sa Araw ng Kalayaan, isang underwater flag raising ceremony ang isinagawa sa Philippine Rise. Patunay ito na handa ang Pilipinas na ipaglaban ang karapatan sa mga teritoryong sakop ng bansa.
Benham Rise, an area rich in natural gas and minerals.
Once developed, these gas deposits can turn the Philippines into a natural gas exporter as well as one of the richest countries in the world.
It could also enable the country to achieve energy sufficiency.
With more than 13 million hectares, the government admits it is not easy to patrol Benham Rise.
The Philippine military revealed that China had sent a ship to Benham Rise.
Because of its abundant resources, many countries have shown interest in this area.
As Filipinos, how can we explore and protect Benham Rise?
Learning that it is a potential source of natural gas, we have come up with the
Methane-Detecting Exploratory Droid.
It is an underwater robot whose main purpose is to detect methane gas and to determine its probable location. In 2011, Environmental Secretary Ramon Jesus Paje stated that the presence of the solid methane has been confirmed by the National Mapping Resource Information Agency.
Furthermore, studies conducted by the Department of Environment and Natural Resources indicated that Benham Rise has large deposits of certified methane or methane hydrates.
With the use of this robot, collecting data will be more efficient compared to human divers, for they cannot stay underwater for a long time. Also, their lives would not be risked anymore. And unlike the previous divers who explored Benham Rise, they were only able to explore up to the depth of 50 meters, while this robot can submerge up to approximately 100 meters deep.
Natural gas primarily consists of methane, which is a renewable source of energy. As stated by Hazira LNG and Port, many environmentalists view natural gas as a natural bridge fuel between the dominant fossil fuels of today and the renewable fuels of tomorrow.
In addition to that, according to Environmental Secretary Paje, the deposits in Benham Rise are believed to be a huge source of fossil fuel that can make the Philippines achieve energy sufficiency and turn into a natural gas exporter as well as one of the richest countries in the world.
For instance, countries like UK, Netherlands, Russia, Qatar, Australia, and Indonesia have resource-based economies. They will not have to fund and rely on less efficient forms of energy, thus boosting their economy experience. Moreover, it would also have a transformational impact on energy markets.
The robot will have two parts. The buoy containing the Arduino Mega 2560 board, breadboard, motor, reel, and buzzer will be floating on the surface, and the submerging part that is also divided into two parts, which are the sensor and the data sample collector.
Four components of the prototype is programmed with the use of Arduino: the motor, the sensor, the buzzer, and the servo motor. The reel operated by the motor will enable the second part to submerge. Then, MQ4 methane gas sensor, a specialized sensor for detecting methane, will be used. Its range will determine the minimum and maximum amount of natural gas emission. When the robot detects methane, the buzzer will be activated and the trapdoor on the submerging part of the robot will open with the help of the servo motor to obtain water sample simultaneously.
The data collected will be communicated to the authorities. Then, further actions on how to protect and explore more about Benham Rise will be handled by the government. The decision whether to mine or to protect the area where methane was detected will be up to them.
Despite all the means to strive for a better quality of life, people should consistently remember that nature is an irreplaceable gift that varies in exceptional ways.
Society is constantly developing innumerable innovations, but let us direct these advancements on a path where the wellness of the world is not compromised and prioritizes the protection of the environment.
Benham Rise is a very special place, and as stewards, we should protect it, not just for us, but also for the future generations to come.